Hello, I am Sonika, former CA, currently practicing yoga instructor. My mission is to be fit and spread health awareness. Today I am going to recite a sonnet by a poet, Kunwar Viyogi. The title is At Time Senses. Here the poet is describing how when the poet connects to the universe, his senses become sharp and clear. So here it goes. At times, senses are so free and lucid, and paths of comprehension so facile, that every hope is deeply etched and fervid, and my imagination is fertile, and I am lucid, fervid all the while. Profusion of my ditties is so rapid, so innocent, and so devoid of guile, so keen and sharp, sincere and so avid, that flow of light is always straight and rapid. But mostly senses poor and puerile, are lifeless, dark, lost, groping, vapid. And the very act of thinking is senile. I always wait with animation till the lucidity appears at its will. The lightning comes to run this grinding will. Thank you.